Hello, I am an avatar and my name is Maria, and I have been designed and created by Ellerman City Liners to present to you our unique service offering. Ellerman's is principally a shipping line and we operate our own ships and equipment. We have a long heritage in the shipping business, and the Ellerman name goes back to the late 1800s, although we rebranded and launched in 2021 as a modern-day carrier. We specialize on the short sea markets from Poland, Scandinavia down to Iberia, but also service the Far East, North Africa, and the USA. The big difference between Ellerman and other shipping lines is that we work on a door-to-door strategy with real supply chain management initiatives that have been built into all our operating thinking, systems, and processes. We are customer-friendly and solution-driven. We are super agile and willing to explore any route or service needed by our customers. In short, our customers are the most important part of our business, and we want to support them all the way to ensure their products and promises are delivered to their customers. So how do Ellerman compete with the giant shipping companies? We outthink them. Our knowledge and resources stretch across the whole of the supply chain. We are tech-driven, and hopefully I have proven we like tech. More than delivering just great technology, we understand all the processes from the raw product coming from the farm or the mine, through manufacturing, distribution, retail, consumption, and reuse. We understand how markets work and how unexpected event can spoil or even destroy good business. We are interested in all the supply chain processes and entities involved from cradle to cradle of every product, that is, from the raw product to the reuse. We want to understand and provide solutions for all risks in the supply chain, and we have developed our services around risk to provide transferable service options for our customers. That means we can accelerate and de-accelerate the supply chain with comparative ease. It means our systems and communications are real-time, providing visibility and control across the whole supply chain and principal parties. For Ellerman, understanding your suppliers, their products, operations, resources, processes, systems, and personnel is as important as understanding your business. We want to provide more value than a shipping service. We want to understand stock holding, capacity, ordering, availability, delivery times, customs requirements, DC restrictions, and consumer expectations. We understand the challenges of managing the supply chain and satisfying the end user, who is the ultimate driver of all our services. So, we want to be part of your supply chain planning, risk analysis, and prevention. We understand that a supply chain change or failure comes at a significant cost than a small saving on shipping rate, and that's why we invest in providing bigger and better solutions. The invisible costs of misaligned product availability and delivery times, factory and distribution center logjams, delays in customs, over or underpayment of taxes, results in failure to deliver on your promises to your customers. All this and more comes at a big, unexpected cost, and we understand that these need to be avoided at all times. That's why we have developed multi-option services, allowing for maximum acceleration to deliver as fast as humanly possible, as well as being able to switch to slower options, providing container holding centers located close to the suppliers or railhead, or the ports or our customers. We can even become an extension to the supplier or your own distribution centers and operate facilities to cover overflow or resource issues. This can all be combined to customs facilities and processes to suspend taxes and make financing trade more effective. Ellerman is a different type of shipping company. We have a huge amount of expertise, assets, and ambition. We can provide you with great pricing for the simple movement of a container, or we can deliver you a solution across your supply chain, which will save you a lot more than any other carrier. I should also point out that the environment is very important to us, and we are leading the way in environmental efficiencies across ship design, alternative fuels, and all related operations, including the best use of rail and sustainable road transport solutions for the door-to-door movement of your goods. We have 2 brand new ships coming into service, which are the most environmentally friendly currently available within the industry, which demonstrates our commitment to protecting our planet and listening to our customers who are equally driven to reduce their carbon footprint. So, if green credentials are important to you, we have that covered as well. Finally, we know that our competitors talk about their capabilities across the supply chain, but in reality, most shipping lines think they are bigger and better than their customers. And they really are too big to tailor their services to a customer's exact needs. Ellerman, on the other hand, genuinely wants to be your partner and respects you as the customer. Thank you for listening, and to talk with a real person about our services and build a long-term human relationship, please contact us.